Okay, so remember this, that long integral symbol. So I'm integrating this with respect to x. Okay, so what do I have to differentiate to give me 2x plus 1? Answer will be x squared plus x plus c. What do we call that plus c? Well, it's actually the constant of integration. So don't forget your constant of integration, okay? Everyone happy with that? Next one, again, we are integrating that with respect to x. So my answer will be 2x to the power of 4 over 4 plus 6x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 plus c. Now, do I have to simplify that? Or can I simplify that? It's probably a better question. So that could be a half x4 plus 2x cubed plus 5 halves x squared plus c. There's my answer. Happy with those two?
Do we know the proof? You know, like when we did differentiation, we actually looked at the proofs of.
I'm not sure actually. I haven't looked into that. I'll have a look. Okay. Next one here, guys. What about this one here? What am I going to do with this one? Expand the brackets first. So I'm going to be integrating 7x squared minus 7x with respect to x. When I integrate that now, I'm going to get 7x cubed over 3 minus 7x squared over 2 plus the c. And if you do that step there, you know, if you add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, if that's your sort of your go-to, and from there try and simplify it, I don't think there should be too many issues. Does that make sense? Happy with that? So those ones hopefully or getting used to those ones. Here's a couple of other examples. How would I do these ones?
Divide by x first.
Pardon?
The first one you just divide by x. Simple.
Yeah, so you simplify these ones. Just like over here, where we expanded that bracket, here, if we simplify that one first, it should become a little bit easier. So I'm going to integrate 6x to the power of 4 over 2x minus x cubed over 2x with respect to x. So I'm going to integrate 3x cubed minus x squared over 2 with respect to x. Does that sound right? No. That should be that 4, shouldn't it? That should be 4, shouldn't it?
No.
No? Should be 3? Good. Just checking. Happy?
Dodgy.
Wow, you guys are really on my case today, eh? Just do one little mistake, eh? Put the foot in, yeah. What do I do here? Integrate that. Come on. 3x to the power of 4 over 4 minus x to the power of 3 over 6. Yeah, 2 times 3, so that's 6. Don't forget your plus c. Happy with that answer? What about that one there?
X to the negative 3.
Yeah, so think about it as you are integrating x to the negative 3 with respect to x. So that becomes add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. Isn't it? Mm-hmm. And you would ideally write it in the same form that it was written.
But it's the
Plus C.
plus C.
Sorry, plus C, yeah.
What'd you do?
But it's writing it the other way wrong.
No.
How is that the same? How is it 1 over
No, that's the wrong page.
same as the first one?
What, negative 1 over 2x?
Oh.
Wow.
Negative 1 over 2. Here's my negative 1 over 2 just there. X to the power of negative 2.
Is that the right one?
Put on the bottom line becomes x squared, doesn't it?
But it doesn't matter what way you write it.
This one's actually.
Don't worry at this stage.
Well, no, no.
Okay, and the last one. This one here.
Take it back. I'm sorry.
X to the power of a half. So I'm
I
integrating
haven't simplified it like
x to the power of a half with respect to x. So what do I do here? Add 1 to the power. So that's x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Is that how I would write it? Besides the plus c that someone's bound to say I've forgotten. Who was waiting? Who was waiting? Thank you. Honest. How would I write that?
1.5.
So x divided by 1.5? 2/3. That is the same as 2/3 of x 3 over 2 plus c. Okay? No, it's 2/3. Because you are dividing by 3 over 2. What is 1 divided by 3 over 2? Dividing by a fraction, what are you doing? You times by the inverse. So it's 1 times 2 over 3. You flip that second fraction and you multiply. How do you guys not remember that? Alright, that was, I taught my year 9s there.
Exactly. It's been a while.
Well, I teach my year 10s
I
that.
learned that like last year.
And year 11s. And year 12s.
That was my learn coach too.
And year 13. And year 18.
Oh, you and your learn coach, eh? Any questions with that? No? Too easy. So,